Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be fixing my BMX. This BMX bike here is a replacement frame for the one that got hit by the car. We're going to be taking some parts from my beach cruiser to fix it up. What we have to do is that I'm taking off these wheels because these wheels, this one has a free coaster. I don't like these. Never did, never will. So I'm changing this. It's a nice hub, but something is wrong with this. I don't know, it just doesn't spin freely anymore. The next thing is no bearing, no bottom bracket, no gear wheel, and the reason why the bearing in here decided they didn't want to move the gear wheel and the bearings. Next, I have to take off the free wheel. This is brand new, so it spins perfectly. And then I have to pull out my old rim for this bike. So I just got the free wheel off and I put it back together. And when these free wheel come off, because they don't have the groove, you have to open it and then put it back. I finally got the wheels on the bike after fixing the spacing with these bolts right here. The only issue is that this is really close to here. It's not touching, that's just the tape, but it's really close to there. So I had to add a spacer. I've done it before, not as big as that, but hopefully the chain still runs properly. It's not like badly off, it's just slightly. So I think it'll work. I need to do the chain next. It has a master link, so that makes it easier. Now the bike is finished. This is what it looks like.